Ooh, let me no, nothing in your trash can. Nothing in your fucking trash can. Yeah, do it, do the animation. Whoa, I love him. Sometimes I shouldn't tell you. Oh, level 1 mining? I keep missing the fucking fish because I'm drinking Coca-Cola. Please, I just want to take a sip. I literally just want to take a little sippy sip. That's all. I wanted to just go like a little bit of a little drink, a little. Please give me a fucking fish. Oh, it's raining. God bless America. Brah. Think. Ooh. I'm hitting the. Oh shit, she going hard. I know, man. She's fucking going crazy. She's going beep beep bop bop beep 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 bop. Ooh. New kicks. Look at me. I got the right kicks on, bro. Look at my new Nikes. My Nike Prestos, bro. I got the Nike Prestos on, bro. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fresh with it. I'm gonna with it. I'm gonna Oh, survival burger. I can't make it! Motherfuckers told me I can make it and I can't even make it. The fuck is this? I'm tired of this. This is painful. I just want to eat a fucking survival burger. Please. Please. I just want to... I just want a little yum 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 yum. I just want a little bit of food. I'm very fucking hungry. I'm very fucking hungry and I have to eat these fucking survival burgers and they're making me...
You know, I'm such a nice guy, and you seem to only date scumbags. I'm just a little angry at the moment, because it's... You know, I'm such a nice guy, and you seem to only date scumbags. I just wanted to make sure there's no feelings, there's no hard feelings between us.
Exactly the voice I read that in. Exactly the voice I read it in. It reminds me of... Oh. Give me an acorn. Give me acorn. You're so... Can I please get some fried chicken? Can you please spare me a large family meal? Just for myself, of course. Potatoes are almost ready. Let's go, baby. I love potatoes. I love potatoes. I love potatoes. I love potatoes. Yum, yum, yum.